Senate will recall that sometime in October, 12 out of the nominated members of National Assembly Service Commission were confirmed by this Senate. But we had to step down Honorable Nnanna Uzor Kalu due to the petition by one of the members in the last, by the last National Assembly Service Commission. The petition has been disposed of by the Committee on Ethics, Code of Conduct and Public Petitions. Against this background, I just want to read the recommendation of the committee.
Can I have a copy?
And I so read, sir. Based on the findings and recommendations made by the Senate Committee on Ethics, Code of Conduct and Public Petitions, presented to the plenary on Thursday, 27th March 2025, and further referred to the Committee on Establishment and Public Service on Friday, March 2025, by the Senate requesting the nominee to be screened for confirmation, subject to the approval and consideration. The committee recommends that the Senate do confirm the nomination of Honorable Dr. Nnanna Uzor Kalu as a commissioner representing Southeast in the National Assembly Service Commission. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, on behalf of the committee, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Senate for this opportunity to serve. Thank you for your trust and confidence in us. I so move. Thank you, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues.
Yes, a leader of the Senate. The Senate, in the Committee of the Whole, considered the report of the Committee on Establishment and Public Service on the screening of Mr. President's nominee for appointment as Commissioner representing Southeast in the National Assembly Service Commission, and approved the nomination of Honorable Dr. Nnanna Uzor Kalu as Commissioner representing the Southeast in the National Assembly Service Commission. Is this a true reflection of what transpired in the Committee of the Whole? Confirmation. Distinguished colleagues, will the Senate confirm the nomination of Honorable Dr. Nnanna Uzor Kalu, representing Southeast, for appointment as Commissioner in the National Assembly Service Commission? Those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The nomination of Honorable Dr. Nnanna Uzor Kalu, representing the Southeast, is hereby confirmed as a Commissioner in the National Assembly Service Commission. Let me thank the Chairman of the Committee on Establishment and Public Service Matters, my brother, distinguished Senator Cyril Fasuji, for the expeditious manner in which this issue has been handled, and also thank the Chairman of the Committee on Ethics and Privileges, distinguished Senator Naira, for the speedy work done and the way they have been able to dispense justice. And accordingly congratulate the new nominee who has just been confirmed for appointment as a Commissioner in the National Assembly Service Commission, and hope that he will take the task seriously and represent the Southeast region accordingly, ensuring that justice is done, equity and fairness, and upholding the unity and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So I say congratulations to him. Leader of the Senate.